Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Quick Assist when it is not working properly on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button and search for Quick Assist. Now open Quick Assist. If Quick Assist opens normally, you can still follow these troubleshooting steps to make sure the app is working correctly. First, open Settings from the Start menu. Now click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Find Quick Assist in the list and click on the three-dot menu next to it. Now select Advanced Options. Here, you may see options such as Repair and Reset. The Repair option can help fix the app without removing its data. Click Repair and wait for Windows to complete the process. After that, open Quick Assist again and check whether it is working properly. If the problem continues, you can return to the same Advanced Options page and use the Reset option. Resetting the app can remove its stored app data and return the app to its default state. Another useful step is to check Microsoft Store for Quick Assist updates. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Quick Assist, and check whether an update is available. Keeping the app updated can help fix bugs and compatibility problems. You should also make sure that Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for available updates. After installing any available updates, restart your computer and try opening Quick Assist again. For this tutorial, I'm simply demonstrating the troubleshooting steps. If Quick Assist is already working on your computer, you do not need to perform these steps. So if Quick Assist is not working, try Repair, then reset if necessary, check for updates, and restart your computer. And that's how you can troubleshoot Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials.